So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use widgets in your Android smartphone. But before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, long press in your home screen anywhere. Just long press it. Here you can see options of wallpapers, icons and widgets. Click on the widgets. Here you can see a lots of widgets. You can scroll and see a lots of widgets. I am showing a few. You can use any of them by the same method. For example, let's add this clock widget. Just simply drag it and you can see here done, and the clock widgets is here. Let me show you some another one too. Just click, long press it, go to the widgets and choose any widget you want. For example, let's choose music. Just long press it and you can put anywhere you want. You can also put anywhere. You can also remove it from here only, like just click on the minus icon, just click remove widget and it's removed. Click on done and here you can see the widget is here and the widget you have removed has been removed. You can use remove by here directly, long press it and just click on remove widgets and remove it. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.